Hi. In this video, we will learn about editing charts in Excel.
When you click on a chart, you get Chart Tools menus. There's two. One is called Chart Design and the other one is the Format. If you go to Chart Design and under Chart Layouts, you see there's a button, Add Chart Element. If you down click on that, you get options for adding primary horizontal and primary vertical axis titles, chart titles, data labels, data tables, error bars, grid lines, legends, trend lines even. So all of these you can add. So if I go to axis titles, let's say I want to add a primary vertical. I click on that and the axis title I can select from here and I can type, let's say I want USD million. I can type in that and I can come here and change the formatting. Under the chart design tab, you see there's two buttons, switch row and column. So that basically interchanges the row and the column fields. You can kind of switch between those. And if you go to select data, you have option to select the chart data range. So at the moment we have only revenue here. So if I want, I can add net income as well. So I can click on this button over here and select the whole range. So net income is also there. And I can click back and the chart updates to have the net income also included in the chart. So you got now under legend entries, now we got revenue and net income. I can also under this horizontal category axis labels, at the moment I got 1, 2, 3, 4. What I want is to actually have the years 2021 to 2024. So I can change that also. I can click on edit here and go to select range and I can select the years like this and come back and say OK. And the years have now been applied. So I can say OK. So under chart design, we have this switch row, column and select data. Also, if you click inside and do a right click from select data inside the chart, you can access the same select data source and then the switch row and column options are now accessible. If we go to the format tab, we see different formatting options are available. Also, you can access them by going inside the chart and doing a right click, and depending on where you click, you get options for format plot area, and also you can get format chart area option. So we will get into these formatting options in later lessons.
Thanks for watching.